Why pre watch up Wagwan? It's your boy Singh. I'm back with another banger vlog video, and today we're going to Canada to spend some time with some of my friends from high school. It's going to be an amazing time. They're into music and stuff, and I've also never been to Canada, so this will be my first time there. So let's see what the city is like. Alright, so we're actually here in the city, Dama Wagwan.
Here, man.
So you guys have seen Dominic before in the vlogs, you see me? So
Still feeling good.
Superstar. Wagwan.
What to do? What to do?
Rashin.
Yo.
They don't really know you, gang. Who are you?
My man, well,
Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself.
Now on stage.
give thanks and love, you know. The man that they call the Shaner at AKA from Retridims. Big up on yourself. What else you want to know? I'm 24 going 25.
I know your mother made the name either, bro.
Which
So
your
we've
bond,
been
bro?
friends for 12 years.
Portmore. Remember that?
He left to go to Florida and he left to go to Canada, and me just stay a yard, you see me?
Because I love it too much.
His birthday is this week and the weather is nice.
It's a good vibe, man. Thursday's
So
good in
we
the
say,
summer, bro.
yeah, no, it's actually nice, and there's so many people. Super
Just
friendly.
talking. They're just talking, bro. Like, you just, out of nowhere, they come to you. Oh, hi, nice to meet you. Good to meet you. How are you? Good? You good? You play? I know, man. I do play. Oh my God, what's your name?
Albert. My name's Albert.
My name's Frank.
Frank, how you doing,
All right,
bro?
man, take care. I'll give you the keys to my house later, all right?
Okay, where are we? Because I don't know where we are.
Yeah, we're at History Theatre right now. That they're at in Toronto on the east side.
Downtown is that way.
Exactly. So we're
Yeah,
about
'cause-
like on the outskirts side almost.
Okay.
History Theatre. So
The what?
coffee been here. Jacob Collier been here. A lot of big acts down here, but it's nice.
Okay, good morning YouTube. We're back. It's day number 2 and they're doing a concert preparation thing. Where are we going?
Listening room.
It's a listing room in downtown Toronto. This is the backyard of our Airbnb. I'll give you guys a tour at some other point because we're literally just heading out. So, Dama, what going on? I like your glasses though, them blue, my father.
Blue, my father.
Them blue, my father. That is it.
I see. Skies of blue.
The skies are gray as hell.
Bro.
The skies are gray as
Can you
hell.
see with me, dog?
Oh, because you're wearing gray.
Yeah.
So that means if you say it's blue, oh, because your glasses are blue.
Thanks for joining.
Alright guys, we're here in the streets of Toronto. This is like downtown, but not like super downtown. This is Queen Street West. And we're currently going to a chicken and waffle place that Rashane recommended because he's doing a concert over there. I'll show you guys the inside of that a little later. It's a listing party? Listening room. So they just play, listen to music, you know.
Can't be that.
This is like a very calm, like New York type of energy. Like people are actually here, but it's not crazy, and everybody kind of seems to be in their own little bubble, and not in a weird way where they're just like, yo, I don't want to chat to you. I don't want. I would take off in my video. Anyways, but yeah, it's actually pretty calm, and the people are super nice here. Like, if this is probably the niceness is probably the opposite of Jamaicans. Is it me? You know, Jamaicans always just upset with you and rough.
Yeah.
This is the complete opposite. Very nice.
Nice.
And I've been traveling a lot more and doing a lot more, and I want to bring you guys with me to inspire you to travel as well, and also so you can at least just see the world from my perspective. I'm not really a touristy person. Like when I go to a city, I try my best not to just do the touristy stuff or just do the cool stuff like the CN Tower and whatever. Like I'm gonna go, but that's not what I want to show. I like to live in a city like a civilian would, just to see what their day-to-day is like and just catch a vibe and see, you know, what's going on. So right now I'm in musician society.
Oh yeah.
Every day there's a concert or something happening.
This man is stuck listening to music that we're listening to.
Yeah,
He's
literally.
done.
And funny enough, I don't mind it. Maybe for some people that might be boring, or maybe like you're into clubs and things, but like that's not really for me still, because I'm not gonna have much opportunities to listen to this much music in such a short space of time, probably ever again, to be honest. So
Don't say ever.
Alright guys, so we're here at a furniture store called Cozy. Damo. And Julie over here has been showing us some of the collection and stuff, but this chair, $280 Zine. And I'm telling you, gang.
Oh god.
I'm telling you, gang.
Wow.
Hard.
Hey man, we not going nowhere.
No, we're not gonna. Yo, right now, rush. We've been out on the road probably for like 20 minutes at this point.
To get him food.
To get him food.
And here we are.
And we're in the furniture store. When I tell you guys, it's really comfortable. If you come to Toronto, 1026. If you come here, ask for Julie, and try this chair. I promise you. I promise you. I just saw this X5 and I had to take out the camera. I don't think you can understand how much I really love cars. You know? I may not express it as much on this channel, but I really do. Look at this color with these rims, bro. Do not play with it. Why would you get that? Why would they do it? Yo.
Bad mind.
Bro, the interior.
Bad mind, get the best of them.
Can you see that, bro? Orange and black interior. Woo.
And it's the X5M, bro. Competition.
M combo. Dog. This is hard as hell.
Bro.
This is hard as hell, bro. No joke. We just had an interaction with 2 NPCs. Let's get out of here. Oh, this Porsche color is so sexy too. Ah! Yo, with the tint too. The tint is crazy. The brown tint is crazy.
This is like a violet wine type.
This is nice. So we just had pizza. But apparently King Slice is better, but Shane didn't want to bring us to King Slice. And why didn't we go to King Slice again?
Yo, because it's a part 1, part 2 experience. So I'm gonna bring them to King Slice after the show so that they can enjoy it more. You understand what I'm saying?
Right. And who are you playing with?
I'm playing with the Listening Room band tonight, one of the biggest bands in Toronto, right there at the Longboat Hall. Show them the Longboat Hall.
Yes, they'll see when we get closer.
Yeah, you see me, so it's a look of vibe and energy, you know?
Dominic, what you say? I go play too.
Sure.
That is it.
Russia go say.
No.
That's apparently their drumming signal for sock places, like, yeah.
I'm gonna go up there and go.
Alright, so we're currently here at the Great Hall in the middle of Toronto to prepare for their show. Dom is the perk specialist, of course, and Rashane is going to be playing later, so they're going to be doing their sound check shortly. But this is a pretty nice venue. I'm currently at the upstairs part of it. It's like a ring type thing. And imagine it's filled with people and it's just music here. That's so hard. I think this is the spot I will choose. In fact. Alright guys, so we're here at King Slice. The lighting is kind of crazy, but look how massive this pizza is. Domo, do you see that? That's crazy.
You can have one of these sticker sheets as a souvenir. I am selling them, but these 2 guys, they are special guests. So yes. It's not even a question. They deserve it.
Oh.
They do deserve it.
Alright guys, welcome to day number 3 of Toronto.
Yeah.
So he's actually gonna do the same thing he did yesterday, and we're supposed to go to Yonge and Dundas and Kensington.
Yeah.
Where the thrift stores and like the markets are and shit, so we can, you know, see what there is to buy. Have the backpack in case of any excessive shopping.
Excessive shopping
For sure, easy me, because we don't need to buy nothing in the dog. I just say vibes.
So my theory is that Bob Marley and them man, they're like the greatest of greatest musicians in the world. They were high when they were doing most of the stuff that they were doing.
Oh no, 100%.
100%. So if I go so boom and get before a show, as you saw yesterday, sing. Tell the people how yesterday was.
No man, him did go on still.
Alright.
Did go on still.
So that's the energy I'm trying to get for the next few shows coming up, you see me? But anyway, load the drugs, kids. Remember that well. You see?
So we're here at what is this? Toronto Eaton Center, which is their like mall. Is it here? I don't know.
Should we go downstairs, no?
I think so. Yeah.
Follow the NPCs.
Yeah, follow where everybody else is going.
That's literally how you do it.
We made it to Toronto, kids. Tell me, how you feeling? Feeling fine?
Feeling great. Toronto. Oh wow.
Guys, so we're now here in Kensington. We came a bit too late still. Like, I totally forgot that things close at like 6, 7 o'clock here. That's the only thing. If you want to go to like stores and shit throughout the day. If you want to do stuff here, I'd say try to do them before 6 p.m. because that's when places start to like, lock up in terms of shopping. But I'm just here to see stuff. I don't necessarily want to spend any money on anything. You get me? So, see, like I'll let the money now. Yeah, bro. Glasses for days. Mild. So we just got 3 tacos from this place here. I got the chorizo, the pork, and the chicken. Yeah, the chorizo, the pork, and the chicken. And over here I got corn dogs. But we're going to try these tacos first. And so thank you so much. You too. We're still in Kensington right now, and I just found this random food spot. So we're just gonna see what we like, what we don't like. So let's try it. So here we have the tacos. I think I don't even know what I'm looking at right now, but they look delicious. Let's try this one. I think this one is the beef one. These tortillas are so like, they're so like gentle. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it's like the flavor isn't overpowering and they're not over salted. I've had a few over salted meals since I've been here, and this one is actually good. That one was the pork. The pork one is also pretty good. It's like a unsmoked jerk pork, you know what I mean? And then last, the chicken, biggest one. The sauces on this are good. I give this honestly a 7.5 out of 10. And these guys are playing music, I love that.
Him stringing you for tune. We can hear it.
Dominic has found a drum store. Let's hear the God himself.
Oh, sir. Oh, sir.
Alright kids, so it's day 3 and I know we don't look like we're in Canada right now, and that's because we're going on jet skis. Yes, we're doing jet skis in the city of Toronto. So it's just something that we found and we're like, you know what, you only live once, why not do it? You know what I'm saying? Why not do it, bro? So, but it should be a pretty fun day, you know what I'm saying? Don't you agree? Where's O'Shane?
Somewhere. Being famous and popular.
O'Shane has a concert later today again. Because he's a music person, he always has these concerts and things that he has to go to.
This
so
is
today,
his city.
yeah, this is his city. So he's not with us. He left us earlier this morning to go to rehearsal and stuff. So he's going to meet us at the jet ski place. So that's pretty much the day. Hope you guys enjoy. This is the Uber. So welcome to the beach.
Oh, bro.
In Toronto, Canada. Rasheen, what going on? You're MIA for your first party day. For your first party
vlog.
What
Have some business with you, but we're there.
True. And then here we have Kirk Diamond. Normal procedure. So we're by the beach right now.
Yeah, we had to go
in the near to the North Pole. We're at a beach so close to the North Pole, which sounds really retarded enough, but in hindsight,
and the
it's
sun
something you would not expect to do.
Bro, where is the sun?
And the breeze are moving wicked, bro. Kinda chilly out there.
Yo, now I said this is a fat beach, bro. What the hell?
All I know, the beach I thought we cannot drop out here, dog.
Oh yeah, we can't drop free.
Well, let the record show, right? Let the record show that this was Jonathan Singh. Singh Zima. He's the one that said, let me come to Canada and jet ski.
One in the middle of everything, him say, yo, dog, what am I going to do jet ski? I'm going to say, what you mean? Him say, what you mean? What you mean? I could do jet ski, bro.
Alright guys, so we're here with
Hunter from Bayside Water Sports. Come
Yes,
check us out,
sir.
Woodbine Beach. We're here all the time.
That is it. So they got us for the trip. These are one of the few people who don't take deposits. So there's like a kind of underground society of people with jet skis where everybody's trying to charge $1,000 deposits, and these guys are one of the few people that don't do that. So you just pay your $150 Canadian, by the way, and you have the jet skis for an hour to do whatever you want. So check them out. The sun is so bright, bro.
It's so bright right now. This is our morning workout.
Yeah, nothing serious. I could jet ski maybe 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Something small,
Some
something
logic
small.
behind it.
You know, your muscles get hot.
Yeah.
The water's cold.
Everything nice. Casual, you know what I'm saying?
What can I say?
Just have a little bottle of Hennessy from time to time as well, you know?
He's an alcoholic.
Alright, Sing Zima. No, 10. Give me about 10.
No, we can't do 10, bro.
Ready, set, go.
As much.
Ready, 1.
We will do at least have to go sit down on the
2. 3. Alright. Go on to the next side. Come on, damn. You know.
Yo, that
Ready? And go. 1. See there, see there, see there. 2. See there, see there, see there. 3. Yeah, man, that's 3. Okay.
You're the Hershey.
Go on, man. Blood
Oh, you thought
clear.
this was a game, huh?
See, this body mass index.
That was 1, you know. Cause you can't use the jump and classify that as 1. No, bro.
Just have to go up, man.
Yeah, I forgot, bro.
I'm gonna feel like most of us on my leg while ago. And I didn't even leg.
One of them start seize up your foot.
1.
Alright.
Ah, yeah, that's
Yeah,
crazy, bro.
Nah, man. Alright, take time, my
Take
general.
time, active.
Aye, aye. So man, I go in like a joke. Hey, the sun now come out, nothing else.
Alright, so it's actually super wavy and windy right now, so it's difficult for me to like vlog. Ooh. The CN2 is over there. We're in Toronto on jet skis with people I've been friends with for literally half of my life, bro. Like, it's crazy to think about. See what we can do. Oh boy, this is crazy. Downtown. Oh, go on. Cuba? Let's get a little closer. Yeah, man, them.
Yo.
That was a good time.
Guys, Bayside Water Sports.
Yeah, that was a good
Have
time,
fun.
bro. Thank you. How was that, Rasheen?
Yo, thing was 10 out of 10, bro.
Oh, it's worth it.
No, yeah, feel my legs.
Yeah, bro, weightless. Yeah, this is so fucking random, bro. I like that. I like that a lot. Jet skis.
Right now.
We're here at Martino's Pizza, which is famous for putting General Tso chicken on pizza. But they also have everything here. Alright guys, so today's one of those solo dolo adventures. I wanted to go to the CN Tower and like see, I tried online and the ticket thing wasn't working, so I said I'm just gonna come here in person. I don't know what I expected. This is more than I bargained for, so I don't want to see it that bad because I know that I want to see the building. Like the perspective is just crazy. Let me walk up a little bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like I want to see the building, right? Because the building is cool and whatever. But I'm also not like that interested, to be honest, to see it. Like, because I know that once I'm in there, I'll be looking at everything else except for it, if that makes any sense. So it's cool, I'll just get some clips. Because I'm not going to wait in this ticket line here because their online thing doesn't want to work. I'm not going to wait here for half an hour to then wait another half an hour in that line. At that point, it just doesn't make any sense. So instead I've decided I'm just gonna walk around for a bit. I might go to the Great Hall. You might be wondering why I'm not with Dom and Rush. It's because Rush has a concert and Dom is practicing for a concert, so I just didn't go. That's called talent right there that I don't got. I'm not gonna lie to you. There are these abandoned trains over here. I don't know where the fuck I am nor where I'm going, to be honest with you. And you know what? Sometimes that's okay. I'm going this direction into the sea of people. Yo! That's crazy, bro. I think this is just the aquarium, so maybe the actual tower itself isn't that bad to get into. So let me see what I can do. Okay, I just checked. They said I'd have to wait 1 hour to get through this line. This is the line for just the tower alone. Like, I like to be a tourist, but not that much. And I could also do the priority pass thing, but then I'll just be paying extra, and it's a gloomy day as well, so it's like, I don't even know. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I haven't been having the best day. Nor have I been in the best mood, but I'm trying to cheer myself up by just like doing shit that I like, or just doing stuff that I want to do. So I'm just roaming right now. The views are crazy, don't get me wrong, that's tall as hell, but I think I'm going to head in the direction of Damo right now because he's rehearsing at the Great Hall. But I also know that there's a couple spots around there that I could just linger at, so I'm probably just gonna do that. Tomorrow's Shane's birthday, so that should be fun. I'm tired, bro. Let me figure this out because ain't no way, boy. Okay, so I've been walking for about like 20 minutes now. I changed my shirt because the sweater was too hot. And I'm just around some massive buildings right now still. To be honest with you, I don't really know what's going on. There are lots of like deep random seating areas that they have, like by restaurants or hotels. And I've just been like kind of walking in and going around just seeing what I can find. There hasn't been much, but you know, just exploring, like actually exploring and just being underground. I could have taken an Uber, could have taken a train, but I say no, I could just walk. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. Not lie still, one thing about that I've realized about Canada while walking around, you don't know what you're going to see on every block. Like there's sometimes when I walk on a block or I walk on a street and I'm like, yo, this looks like a totally different place. Like, I don't know if I just me. If you guys come here, you might experience the same thing. Like some parts feel more Miami and cool. Some parts feel more like England, and the weather doesn't really help that fact because Merc EQS. Yeah, the weather doesn't help that fact because it's normally just snowing here and it's normally cold. But right now it's like kind of calm. But it's very confusing and everywhere looks kind of different, which I don't mind. However, to make my life just a bit easier, oh, let me cross the street actually. To make my life a bit easier, I'm just going to enjoy it for what it is. Alright guys, so I just hopped on one of the streetcars. There's sometimes when we try to fill our days or time with all these activities and things and to-do lists, but sometimes it's okay to just freestyle and just like see where the day takes you or what happens or where you go. Maybe not everywhere is the safest place to do that, but I'm sure you have somewhere where you may have seen or wanted to explore and you should. This looks like Chinatown right now still.
Next stop, University Avenue.
Damn, Wagwan.
My life.
Bro, we kind of disappeared for 2 days. I'm super sorry. We're on our way to Zima right now. Damo is here. Rashane is. I'll explain what happened later. Rashane is at the event right now, but we're outside. So I went missing because the weather was bad and it was so hard to vlog because of the breeze and it was just cold, and I also wasn't feeling good. So the last 2 days, I've kind of just been down. The cold weather got to me, but we're back. I still sound kind of stuffy, but what would you do?
We went to Asha Monet.
But you will cry. Someone will hurt you.
Yeah,
Today.
All these days have been
A blur.
yeah,
they've really
combined.
been-
It's a fever dream. It's a fever
Oh, you
dream.
played
When?
the night before last? You played?
yeah, I
you
did.
play. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Listen to the road. All right, let's go, guys.
Remember to be vibey and
Let's work.
Yeah, bro.
Rush went to Niagara.
Oh yeah, so
Yeah,
Rush
bro.
went to Niagara Falls to be a superstar, and he's like, bro, could you sub for me? He marks me like Marie Lev a choice, you know. It is a little vibes. They're the people, you know, always the people.
True.
Don't worry about that thing, you know.
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Alright guys, we're here at the airport. The trip is officially, well, almost officially over. It's my first time here and I must say it's been a pretty good time. So I'm definitely planning on coming back. I want to do more cities in Canada though. Like I want to see Vancouver and Quebec. But Toronto is a good start. I've had fun. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next banger video. Love y'all. Peace. Come on, Russell.